Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that every business owner wants to achieve, making your business profitable. It's not easy, but with the right strategies and tactics, you can turn your business into a profitable venture. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Identify your target market. The first step to making your business profitable is to identify your target market. You need to know who your customers are and what they want. Conduct market research to gather information about your target audience, such as their demographics, preferences, and needs. Once you have a clear picture of your target market, you can tailor your products and services to meet their needs, which will increase sales and revenue. Step 2. Develop a unique selling proposition, USP. A unique selling proposition, USP, is what sets your business apart from your competitors. It's the reason why customers should choose your business over others. Develop a USP that emphasizes the benefits of your products and services, such as quality, affordability, or convenience. Make sure your USP is clear and consistent across all your marketing materials, from your website to your social media profiles. Step 3. Optimize your pricing strategy. Pricing is a crucial factor in making your business profitable. You need to find the sweet spot between affordability and profitability. Start by researching your competitors' pricing strategies and adjust your prices accordingly. You can also experiment with different pricing models, such as volume discounts or subscription services, to see what works best for your business. Step 4. Invest in marketing. Marketing is essential for attracting new customers and retaining existing ones. Invest in a marketing strategy that targets your specific audience and showcases your USP. You can use various marketing channels, such as social media, email marketing, or paid advertising, to reach your target audience. Remember to track your marketing efforts and adjust your strategy as needed. Step 5. Monitor your finances. Monitoring your finances is crucial to ensuring the profitability of your business. Keep track of your expenses, revenue, and profits to identify areas where you can cut costs and increase revenue. Use financial software or hire an accountant to help you manage your finances and make informed business decisions. And that's it. By following these 5 steps, you can make your business profitable and take it to the next level. Remember to be patient and persistent, as building a profitable business takes time and effort. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.